I guess the Penguins really like playing the Leafs. I bet they wish they could play them more. They'd be in the playoffs right now. So how do I feel about this game? It wasn't 7-1. The Leafs were in it. They had chances. They had posts and crossbars. But their mistakes, unforced errors, decision-making at certain times made it costly. Jack Campbell, 29 saves, 2 goals against, .935 save percentage. Jari, the other side, shutout. He taps his crossbar, he taps his post and says thank you and thank you. He played well. I don't think the Leafs generated enough tough shots. Traffic in front of the net, he saw a lot. And those that he saw and missed hit the crossbar post. Jack Campbell, I think he wants the Gensel goal back. And I'm not going to lie, he's got nothing on that Jeff Carter goal. Shit happens there. I'm not blaming him. And he stood on his head at times. He made some great saves that kept the Leafs in it. Speaking of posts, Marner hit a crossbar. Nylander hit a post. Someone else hit a post in close. Simmons missed a glorious chance again. But it was the Penguins who took advantage of their opportunities. Jake Gensel made Sandin look bad when he came across. Slid at 5-hole, I believe. Campbell wants that one back. I think he overcommitted a bit. Good on Jake Gensel, though. He's a great scorer. He's a great player. And hey, at least he's playing and Crosby's playing, and they didn't get 7. I'll take it. Obviously, I'm not happy because they lost, but still, they're 12-6-1. 10 of their last 12. Can't be too harsh, right? A game like this was going to happen. Austin Matthews had 5 shots on goal. Didn't get anything of it, but he had his 5 shots. What else? On the power play, I believe, Willie ringed one off. Marner had a great little play, rung it off. There was another post in there. I forget who did it. Richie had a chance on a nice little feed coming over the blue line on a 3-on-2. High, wide, and drive. He drove. Nice save by Jari. But it's the mistakes. Obviously, Sandin got outplayed by Gensel. There was another time he got bullied. I forget who it was. They spun off him. Might have been McGinn. And then Justin Hall got caught flat-footed on that Jeff Carter goal. It was a tip-in. Puck goes up. He's looking. Everyone's looking. And I forget who it was, but they flew by him. Beat him to the puck. Fed Jeff Carter. It was just a tap-in. He's not missing from there. And that's it. Leafs can't get back into it. I say Pittsburgh brought it to the Leafs. They had the better start. Then the Leafs had the better second half. But when you're down 2-0, you're playing a hot goalie and you're not getting that traffic in front of the net, screening him like they've been doing previously, you're not going to score, and they didn't score tonight. Pittsburgh deserves this win. They definitely wish they were playing Toronto more often. We're going to take this one as it is. Jack Campbell was great. The Leafs got shut out. We move on. All right? It's 12-6-1. That's it for me. Let me know down below your thoughts, especially on what are the Leafs going to do with defense. Dermott's going to be back in. Is Sandin coming out? Is Hall coming out? I still, watching him, I'm really picky with Justin Hall. I think I said this last time, and I'm picky again here, being flat-footed like that. But at the same time, Sandin happened to him as well. So one of those two, I believe, are going to come out, and Dermott's coming in. Let me know down below your thoughts on the game. See you next time. As always, go Leafs go.